said yes, I say no. You say stop, but I said go, go, go. Oh no, you say goodbye, and I say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye when I say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye when I say hello, hello. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Hello Goodbye by the Beatles in the original key, high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Alright, so the song starts with the intro, which after that we're using for the verses as well. It starts with D minor, okay, to C, and then to G, and then to A minor. And this is, you say yes, I say no, you say stop, but I said go, go, go. And then we go to the pre-chorus where I'm holding G7 and I'm doing a strumming pattern built from up strums because I'm aiming for the A string this tone. Okay, and after that to A minor, but also I'm keeping the ring finger here on the 3rd fret of the A string and then releasing it. All right, and again G7. And here we have a little specific thing. So for now, every chord that we had was 4 beats, but now here we have 2 beats on G, 2 beats on G7, 2 beats on F, and after that we go to the chorus. All right, so let's go slowly through the beginning up to the chorus. All right, you say yes, I say no, you say stop, but I said go, go, go. Oh no, you say goodbye, and I say hello. And here, the chords that we have in the chorus, they're twice as fast again. So 2 beats on every chord, and it is C to G to A minor, and here A minor 7, and then F to G sharp here. Okay, trying to avoid the G string, and back to C. All right, and also in this specific place I'm doing a little detail that I'll show you if you want to do it. Okay, so we're starting with the C chord, and mostly I'm playing the C string in the beginning, and I'm playing open to 2nd, okay, and then on the E string open 1st, and here I grab the chord of G, but actually I'm not playing the A string, okay, and then A string open 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and here I grab A minor. And then on A minor 7, I'm doing the rest of the work, which is on the E string. Open, 1st, 3rd, open A string, and then F to G sharp, to C back. Okay, so I say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye. I say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye. I say hello. Alright, that's a little thing that you can do if you want to. If not, just strum the chords, it will sound perfectly fine. And here we go back to another verse, another chorus. We repeat this a few times, and at the end of it, after the chorus, we're going to the outro. After G sharp, instead of going to C, we're doing this little walk from G sharp, and basically on the E string, we are doing 4, 3, 2, 1, and then ending on C, but also I'm keeping the rest of the strings on the 3rd fret, the A and C string on the 3rd fret. Hello, And the outro that we have is basically just repeating C. Hey, la, hey, 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 la. All right, so that was it for the structure of the song. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see the fingerstyle version. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and you see me on the next one. Goodbye.